Welcome to Newdermo product show. This time we will introduce our LED face mask to you. This mask has 4 lights to account 4 different therapeutic effect ion. Manual. Remote control. Automatically switch between different lights. The total aging time is 15 minutes. Charging cable. Press switch button for second to turn on the red light mode. Open the straps, pass it through the attachment ends. Red light can promote and improve blood circulation, anti-inflammatory and reduce swelling. Pain relief, lightening of dark spots, suitable for all skin types. Press again to turn on the blue light mode. Front blue light and back blue light display. After the installation is completed, select the corresponding function to use. Treats acne, suitable for oily skin and acne-prone skin. Press again to turn on the yellow light mode. Front yellow light and back yellow light display. Yellow light improves dullness and fades spots. Accelerates the excretion of pigmentation and enhances the skin's radiance. Press again to turn on the multicolor light mode. Front mixed color light and back mixed color light display. Mixed color light gathers a variety of light, sterilization and anti-inflammatory. Anti-aging, suitable for all skin types. Press again to power off. Thanks for your watching. Welcome to visit us at www.newdermobeauty.com.